Hi everyone, meeting again today for 11th standard session. 11th standard में क्या सीखने वाले हो? Sequences and series. Okay, there is one problem on sequences and series. Last time I had taken one problem on sets, which was common for 9th as well as 11th. But today, let us take one problem on geometric progression, sequences and series. Okay, so let's see. It was asked in one JEE exam. Okay, advanced IIT level का problem है, 3-4 बरस पहले पूछा था. So let's see, देखेंगे क्या है. Okay, problem set में ही है problem 26 number. If the pth, qth and rth terms of a GP are x, y and z respectively. अभी pth, qth and rth means what? It is nothing but you know the nth term. nth term को हम लोग tn बोलते हैं, वैसा pth term को हम tp बोलेंगे. So pth term means tp, qth term means tq, rth term means tr, and we all know nth term means tn. That's all, nothing different. Okay, so if these three terms are x, y and z respectively, find the value of x raised to q minus r, y raised to r minus p into z raised to p minus q. यहाँ पे सब मल्टीप्लीकेशन है, बीच में मल्टीप्लीकेशन है. ओके, की स्टेप Tn is equal to ar raised to n minus 1. That is the formula for Tn, right? Logic देखो अभी, if Tn is this, what will be Tp? Replace n by p. That's all. यहाँ पे replace n by p, replace n by p. Tp will be the pth term ar raised to p minus 1. n के जगह p आ गया. That's all. And that value is given as x. See, pth term is x, so Tp is x. That is only the hint that you have to remember. Okay, and we actually start with this stuff. इससे ही चालू करेंगे और ये main thing है, याद रखने के लिए. Okay, let's begin. ये प्रूव करना है. I mean, find the value of. For any GP, Tn is equal to ar raised to n minus 1. GP का Tn का फॉर्मूला अभी देखा. Tn is the nth term. Let us suppose a is the first term and okay, here a is the first term and r is the common ratio. We know that, right? So for our sequence, we will take a as the first term and k as the common ratio. Instead of r, I am taking k as the common ratio. अभी k क्यों लिया? Because one r is already over here. See, so tr यानी rth term. So because one r is already there, I don't want to confuse with this r. So for this particular problem, I have taken k as the common ratio. Clear? Now if I take k as the common ratio, instead of writing Tn is equal to ar raised to n minus 1, I will say Tn is equal to a k raised to n minus 1. r के जगह सिर्फ k substitute किया है. Okay, so it is convenient for us to take k as the common ratio for this particular problem, क्योंकि एक r यहाँ पे है extra. So वो r और ये r में confusion नहीं चाहिए, इसलिए common ratio k रखा है. क्लियर हो गया? अभी देखेंगे. देखो, pth term is Tp, nth term is Tn. So Tp is equal to, if I replace n by p, replace n by p, k is the common ratio, अभी r नहीं है, so Tp is equal to a into k raised to p minus 1. Simple. ओके, देखो यहाँ पे रिप्लेस n by p, रिप्लेस n by p, So a into k raised to p minus 1, and that Tp is given as x. Don't forget, beginning में दिया हुआ है, देखो pth term is x, qth term tq will be y, वो अभी आगे देखेंगे. In this formula replace n by q, so tq a k raised to q minus 1, जहां पे n है वहां पे q डालने का है दोस्तों. So a k raised to q minus 1 or tq is given as y. It's given. Qth term यानी tq is y. Given. And finally rth term is z. अभी rth term कैसा मिलने वाला है? Replace n by r. a k raised to r minus 1 is given as z. ओके अभी कॉमन रेशियो r रखते थे तो यहाँ पे r रेस टू r माइनस 1 हो जाता है और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाता है, इसलिए वी हैव चेंज द कॉमन रेशियो टू k. सो a k रेस टू r माइनस 1 एंड दैट tr rth term is given as z c. Right? So we get these three important equations. Clear? Means we got the values of x, y and z. TP, TQ और TR को मत देखो, अभी काम हो गया वो. X, Y, Z की वैल्यूज मिल गई है हमको. स्माइली कम्स एंड सेज अभी LHS में सब्स्टिट्यूट करो सब. LHS क्या है? LHS means whatever is asked over here. Let us substitute the values of X, Y and Z in this term. Okay, so I have written that term over here. X raised to q minus r, y raised to r minus p, z raised to p minus q. Just put the values. What is the value of x? a k raised to p minus 1. ऊपर q minus r. What is the value of y? a k raised to q minus 1. ऊपर इंडेक्स है r minus p. And similarly value of z. a k raised to r minus 1. ऊपर p माइनस q है. राइट? सिंपली सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है यहां पे x, y, z तीनों वैल्यूज सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है x, y, z के लिए. अब क्या? स्माइली कम्स बैक एंड टेल्स नो नीड टू वरी, वी जस्ट हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई दिस एंड गेट द आंसर. नाउ हाउ डू यू सिंप्लीफाई? ओके, लेट्स सी. आई विल सॉल्व इट. अभी ये रब करता हूं, इसका काम हो गया है. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू सिंप्लीफाई दिस. Let us see. First of all, if I get something like this, see, I'll tell you one simple thing. A into k raised to p minus 1 raised to q minus r. It means it is a raised to q minus r a raised to q minus r into k raised to index raised to an index means you multiply p minus 1 into q minus r. Clear? Similarly, a raised to r minus p into k raised to q minus 1 into r minus 1. Index raised to index means laws of indices say you have to multiply. You don't add. Multiply करना है. q minus 1 into r minus p. Into a raised to p minus q k raised to r minus 1 into p minus q. Clear? Followed? This into this. Now what? I will mark the similar terms. जहां पे a है, I will take those terms together. जहां पे k है, I'll rearrange those terms together. Just rearranging the terms, right? Slightly lengthy, but if your laws of indices are perfect, it becomes simpler. So all these laws are important. इसलिए IIT level JEE में पूछा था एक दो बार. Observe now. A raised to q minus r into a raised to r minus p into a raised to p minus q. ये साथ में लिया है, इसको ब्रैकेट में डाल देना. Take the terms of k together. K raised to p minus 1 into q minus r into k raised to q minus 1 r minus p, k raised to r minus 1 p minus q. थोड़ा पेशेंस रखो, 2-3 एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप करके आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी वन सिंपल आंसर. लेट्स सी व्हाट. ओके, नाउ लुक, अनदर रूल ऑफ indices. If you have a common base, if you have a common base and multiplication sign in between, what do? Keep the common base as it is. ऊपर के indices सब add करते हैं like this. q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q. This plus this plus this, keeping a as the common base. 8th standard laws of indices. अभी यहाँ पे सब फिट नहीं होगा, so I will write here. This is over. ये into I will write over here. I think I should start writing from here because it is going to be a bit lengthy. Into k raised to. Logic says अभी क्या है, ऊपर क्या है, एक ब्रैकेट नहीं है, 2 ब्रैकेट्स है. So brackets open up करो. P into, just multiply 1 by 1. Observe here. P into q, pq. P into minus r minus pr. हो गया? Minus 1 into q minus q. Minus 1 into minus r plus r. Just simple multiplication. बाद में k raised to multiply by q. q into r, qr. q into minus p. q into minus p. Minus pq. Minus 1 into r. Minus r. Minus 1 into minus p. Plus p. Have some patience दोस्तों, खत्म होने का है, डोंट वरी. k raised to r से ब्रैकेट्स ओपन अप करो. r into p, pr. r into minus q, minus qr. r into p, keep constant r. r into minus q, बाद में minus 1 को आओ, minus 1 into p minus p. And minus 1 into minus q is plus q. That is what we get. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप. अभी जगह ही नहीं है लिखने को. आई विल हैव टू राइट एट द टॉप. सो लेट अस सी अभी क्या क्या कैंसिल होता है. देखो, सी व्हाट इज गेटिंग कैंसल्ड. माइनस पी प्लस पी गया है, माइनस क्यू प्लस क्यू गया, माइनस आर प्लस आर गया. व्हाट रिमेन्स इज ए रेस टू 0 into a raised to 0 into. Now over here again that rule, k is the common base. See, k is the common base. All these indices are to be added. Add करने हैं. Okay, let us add them. pq minus pr minus q plus r. Add means just you have to write them as it is without changing the sign. That is addition. Subtract नहीं करने हैं. Plus qr minus pq minus r plus p. Okay. Last bracket plus PR minus QR minus P plus Q. सब K के ऊपर आ गए. All these are indices which are added because of the common base K and multiplication sign here. Now let us hope that everything gets cancelled. इतनी लंबी टर्म वापस कौन लिखने वाला है? कैंसिल होता है क्या देखेंगे. PQ माइनस PQ माइनस PR प्लस PR माइनस QR प्लस QR माइनस Q प्लस Q माइनस P प्लस P प्लस R माइनस R. हो, कैंसिल हो गया थैंकफुली. Okay, everything has got cancelled. Our problem has become very simple now. Let us see. A raised to 0 into k raised to 0. इतना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम और इतना छोटा आंसर. But that's what JEE is about. IIT level is about. So A raised to 0 is 1. K raised to 0 is 1. Anything raised to 0. Another law of indices. Anything raised to 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is a big one or a small one. कुछ भी लिखो आप. बड़ा प्रॉब्लम छोटा आंसर. One of the options in the exam was given as 0 लिखा था. Okay, some students made some mistakes over there, but for that your laws of indices have to be perfect. एक याद रखो. If you get this, it is a raised to m into n. Index raised to index. Okay, but if you get this, then A is the common base. Add the indices जो हमने सब add किया. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this problem. Try करो, एक बार वापस देखो, pause the video, check. Once you get it without looking, you will feel fine. अच्छा लगेगा. लॉज ऑफ इंडाइसेस भी पक्के हो जाएंगे. ट्राई करो, एंजॉय इट. दैट विल बी ऑल फॉर टुडे. सी यू इन अनदर फ्यू डेज. बाय.